How to use fragments in Lasty Survival Shooter. So fragments are the pieces tied to a specific hero or refugee. Collecting enough of them unlocks or upgrades something related to that character or that hero. So basically once you go to the hero, you can see you can recruit different of the hero using those hero fragments. So if you have got a specific fragment for a specific hero, you can only use it for that type. So for example, if you want to get this for a particular Katrina hero, then you'll require her fragments. That is you'll require the Katrina fragments like this, that fits like this 1 2 3, and you'll have to require those fragments. And then also what you can do is simply you can recruit or unlock heroes or refugee using those fragments. Also you can star up or rank up your hero. You can simply skill up, you can extend up to star 1 if you have got the prompt fragments, or if you have got the enough fragments you can also rank up your heroes. You can simply go ahead and star up if you have got the hero fragments for Fiona, for example, in this case. Also you can upgrade and promote refugees. Also in events and shop, some fragments show up as reward in events. So some will have hero fragments or versatile fragments for sale, so you can purchase it from there. So that's how you basically use fragments in this game. Check how many fragments you have, reach the required number. Also use fragments to star up, promote your heroes. Also that's how you use it. Hopefully this video helped. Thank you.